Our flagship showroom here in Leeds is particularly large. It's 27,000 square foot and set over 2 floors, plus we have an outdoor display area as well. The main feature within this one is that we've actually built a full house right bang in the middle of it, and then surrounding the house there's various room sets and displays, including a couple more show houses, so it's a really unique space where you can see all our products in real, true-to-life settings.
We have so many products, you'll need hours to spend with us here. We have sliding doors, bifolding doors, windows, front doors, roofing systems, we have furniture, we have pergolas. We've got the full range, so you can come to us as a full one-stop solution for your glazing needs.
One of the nice things about visiting the showroom here in Leeds is that visitors can also take a look at where all the products will be manufactured. So that gives them a lot of peace of mind that they can see the size of the operation, they can see all that manufacturing setup, and of course where all their products will be made.
Hopefully when customers come to the showroom, they're overwhelmed by what they see. The biggest takeaway for me is that when a customer comes into the showroom and by the time they've left, they've got that full confidence that they're buying from someone who knows what they're doing, has been in business and trading for many, many years, manufactures their own products, and has a full faith in the system that we can provide for a customer.
The showroom is a really popular destination among industry professionals as well as homeowners. Architects like to come and bring the clients here and also just take a look around for ideas, and also builders and construction workers use the showroom as well. If a customer comes into the showroom and they're looking for one supplier for the full house project, we can supply all the products for that project, right from front doors through to all the glazing that might be required on the back, and specialist glazing products also.
It's not essential to book an appointment to come see us here in Leeds. It is encouraged if you have a large set of plans, just to make sure we can spend an hour or two going through the plans and showing you the full repertoire of products that we do. Here in Leeds, we're open 7 days a week, typically 9 till 5, Monday to Friday. We do have a late night opening on a Wednesday night until 8 o'clock. Saturday is 9 till 5, and then it's reduced hours on a Sunday from 11 till 2.
Find out more by visiting our website expressbifolds.co.uk or come visit us here in Leeds.